Refreshing lemonade recipe. Hello, refreshing students. Today, we will learn how to make a cool and refreshing lemonade. Lemonade is a classic drink that is perfect for hot summer days. Let's start making. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, 5 cups of water, ice cubes, lemon slices for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a pitcher, combine the fresh lemon juice and sugar. 2. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. 3. Add the water to the pitcher and mix well. 4. Refrigerate the lemonade for at least 1 hour to chill. 5. Serve the lemonade over ice cubes and garnish with lemon slices. 6. Enjoy your cool and refreshing lemonade.